Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Fireworks Sprite ability in Grow Garden game of Roblox 2026 New Year update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Fireworks Sprite looks like. And you can get this pad from the New Year's egg. You can go to this location to open up the New Year's shop. Okay, talk to Paul and open the New Year's shop. Okay, you can get the egg from here. Wow, it's restocked. Okay, and you will have 25% possibility or chance to get the Fireworks Sprite. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the ability of this pet. Okay, let me view it. Okay, every 3 minutes grants 3.11 until 5.11 fireworks. Oh, so it can grant firework. I think it's not that functional. So you can keep this pad during the New Year's update, but after that you can um put it on your inventory because yeah, it's not useful. And okay guys, that's all about the Fireworks Sprite pet and Grow a Garden game of Roblox New Year's update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.